पेपर घेता फोटो पाणी हे पाणी एक मिनिट फोटो घेऊ एक बरोबर फोटो घेऊ एक
So let us start with today's session. So the topic name for this particular session is nothing but the building your AI skill through AI powered education tools. So in this particular session, this particular things that I would like to discuss with you. So as the name suggested that this particular session is nothing but we need to require to learn the AI powered education tools that are the beneficial or that can be very useful for faculty who are working in any particular organization or specifically for whatever engineering colleges or that particular who are in the field of teaching. Okay. So the first tool that are the very useful as many of the times the faculty need to require to take that particular test that can be made based on the MCQ type of question paper are there already. So how we need to require to generate that automatically or within a few seconds you can say that automatically the MCQ type question paper. Okay. So that for that particular purpose, the quizzes has to design the one particular tool called as quizzes AI tool. Okay. So that are nothing but the many of the times whenever we need to require to take fast type one particular MCQ quiz or the lesson or the assessment, that particular kind of things. Okay. So just by providing the title name or the article name. Okay. So this particular quizzes AI tool, it automatically generates that particular what you can say that MCQ quiz. Okay, it might be another 10 question, 20 question, 50 questions. It depends upon the selections we can is possible to create that particularly. Even though this particularly is on a front type on a quiz, many of the times whenever we need to require to take that particular kind of things or the game based learning. So for that particular purpose, this quizzes AI tool is useful. I just rightly said to you, okay. So how this question can be possible to say, okay. Just you can be given a topic name, okay, or the title of that particular concept, okay. Otherwise, you can be upload a PDF of the Word file or any text file, okay. So you are having the option, and based on that one, so this AI tool it can be summarized and it will prepare that one once again the quiz for that one. Otherwise, you can be provided one particular website link or the web page link, okay, and through that also with this AI tool it automatically read that particular content and prepare that particular this quiz. Okay, so the quiz is in the format obviously the like an MCQ or the true or false or the fill in the blanks or the open-ended questions. Okay, so the many of the times whenever we need to prepare a such type of the quizzes, okay, of the question paper, okay, we need to require to in the go one by one line. We need to require to read and then how we need to require to frame the question and what kind of the answers we need to require to put and etc. All kind of things we need to require to have. So it will gonna automatically save that all kind of the things and it will save that for lots of time. Okay. So not only with the just means by giving what you can get on the topic name. Okay. So you can be have an upload that particularly the PDF or the PPT or the any text file. Okay. So we can it's possible to create that in the quiz. Okay. So obviously once again while we need to require to prepare that particular question paper. Okay. So the grammatical mistakes and the many kind of things are there. Can be possible to made by as we are being a human being. Okay. But this will be this AI tool. It will be is what you can do that on the automatically means all the better grammars and all other kind of things it will be possible to take. Okay. Then similar type of questions, and this translate the quiz into other languages can be also possible. Now the difficulty to your learners is what kind of a question you need to require to prepare. So all other kind of things can be an enhancement, can be possible. Okay. Then AI can also help to make the quiz more dynamically by incorporating this video questions from YouTube, okay, or the flashcard, or the lesson slides also, as already we have discussed. Okay. Then this also, once that when the quiz is generated and it can be passed to link can be passed to students, it will be attempt that one. Then automatically the scorecard it will be generated. Okay, after each of students, let us consider that when the 30 of the students are given an exam. That okay. So automatically it will be shown that when the who is giving a more accurate answer within a stipulated time. Okay, so like that when the if you want to find out first one or the topper, then the second topper, third topper, like that one also all that kind of things is an analysis is done. Okay, and the which student is attempted the how many correct answers, how many wrong answer, all that analysis, all that summary can be provide once that quiz is completed by students. So that is a complete scorecard. Even though other thing is nothing, but if you want to mail that particular scorecard to their parents or to that particular students, other so through mails or through any other kind of social media, all that the possibilities can be possible by using this quizzes AI tool. So the obviously there will be this is a paid tool, but the free tier is also there will be which are limited questions kind of 10 questions we can be have the limited kind of things is there. Otherwise you can be have for an extensions, you can be taken a paid version. Okay, premium subscription are also available. Okay, so how we need to require to start with this particularly. Actually quizzes this particular AI tool is what you can do that it is now the hardware this particular background. Okay, so the you can have a background, you can type it on Google or the quizzes AI tool like that one also. It can be possible to search, then you will be getting a link and then select this create with an AI, all that kind of thing. Let's we are having the demo, there will be no issue in there, so but just how we need to require to prepare. So that kind of things is mentioned here. Once the created this quizzes AI account, and the create with an AI or the similar AI quiz option, input the text or the upload the file or the paste the link, then the quiz choose the quiz setting, the how many number of questions you want to prepare. Okay, then the review and edit. Okay, and assign or to present the quiz to students. Okay, so why all these things are very useful? Because it save the times for a quiz creation, for a the diverse and engaging questions, support the personalized learning, make the assessment interactive and fun, works for a teacher, tutor, even the self-learning students. Okay, so this is all about quizzes tool is the review. Okay, so let's we have a demo first, and then we will start with this Gamma AI tool. Okay, so we need to require to go with this quizzes tool. Then I have to start with the okay. So if you are having this particular machine, which one is it? Otherwise you can madam नाही तर तुम्ही पाहून घ्या तुम्ही पाहून घ्या ठीक आहे नंतर सांगा मी वाटलं तर तुम्ही पाहून घ्या ठीक आहे बसा
देशपांडे सर
नाही तरी मी तुम्हाला आता लिंक करतो तुम्हाला अटेंड करण्यासाठी शेअर करणार आहे बसून घ्या यू कॅन सिट नो इश्यू मॅडम बसा यू कॅन सिट तुम्ही ट्राय करा नंतर later on you can be I will show you, I will demonstrate first. Okay, I will share that particularly the link to to attempt that particular quiz. Okay, later on at your way you can create that particular quiz. Okay, so what is particular quizzes AI? Okay, just what we need to require to do, just to type this quizzes AI or to a Google search box. Okay, fine, and this particularly the first link itself, background. Okay, this background is the through this particular quizzes AI is working. Okay, so after this one, so we can have a login, or you can create a sign up also, no issue. Otherwise if you have a Gmail login already you have, then you can select from a Gmail also. Okay, so this is particularly the things what you can say that. Okay, so this is one particular dashboard. Yeah. So this is the thing is going to be now once you are in the login this this AI tool through an background. Okay. Now as we are having that particular option create, search, upload. Okay. Now this tool we need to require to have an option which is create. Okay. So whether what kind of things you need to require to create. So we need to require to create this assessment. Okay. Then whether you want to generate by uploading one particular document or the PPT or the PDF or the generate with an AI, etc. kind of things are there. So let us take an option of a generate with an AI. Generate with an AI. Now once again here the option is whether you want to upload any particular document or whether you want to just put a topic name here, whether you want to give a website link here, whether you want to give a YouTube link here. So based on that one, all that kind of things is there. Now let us take I have selected this particular what we can based on the text or the prompt. Okay. Now here just only the some kind of popularly kind of if it is testing is there. Let us consider we need to require to test. Okay. So here it will be I have the type here the need of a software testing. Need of a software testing. Only this particular what we call the text or the topic or the title I had given. Okay. Need of software testing. Okay. Then so whether how many number of questions whether you want to prepare all kind of things here will be option is there. Now here will be let us consider that 10 questions I would like to prepare. Okay. Okay. 10 questions. Okay. Then whether the subject and grade engineering already I have in the time of registration I have selected this one the engineering and the industry. So the need of software testing just only click on the continue button. Click on the continue button. So here it is selected up to 10 subtopics are there. Which particularly is we are having the interest. So the importance of testing, types of testing, etc. kind of things. Okay. So the subtopic set will be added here the importance of testing. Okay. And the types of software testing. Now let us we will be have another generate the once again the quiz. Okay. Now the generating the questions might take some particular few seconds or a minute. Okay. They are waiting. So here we have given 10 questions we need to prepare. Here you can see that one. Okay. So the why is software testing important in development, and then the four MCQs are the four answers are there, and which one is corrected here at will green is mark will. Okay. So like that one the second one is what are the main goals of software testing, how does the testing contribute to software quality, etc. like that one here the 10 questions are there, and according to that one whether you want to add more question then you can be add like kind of things are there. Okay. So the after this particularly the things okay fine. Now the next step is nothing but what we need to require to do is nothing but the automatically this MCQ question set is question paper is generated. Okay. So now we need to require to publish this one. Click on the publish. Click on the publish. Okay. Now here now we can be say that these are the questions are there. Okay. Here we can be need to require to start this particularly for attempting this one, but before this one share with this student, share with this particularly. So I have copied this particular link. Okay. Join using this particular game code. Okay. Otherwise you can say that we can have this particular link only, and I will send this to Kavita. Ma'am, you can share to what maybe the faculty presented here. Okay. केले ना तुम्ही जॉईन केले ना केल्यानंतर काय तिथे तुमचं नाव टाकायचं आहे बरं का केल्यानंतर ना तुमचं नाव टाकायचं आहे then we need to require to enter your name start even though you are will start so the on my side it is not yet started direct calculate
maybe this direct
and they also do that so what I have changed that one you just start that particular I have received that particular link sir on your phone give your name sir
रोकडे मॅडम
give your name
त्या का ते इथे गेला
start
Kavita has an joined only but others
मोबाईल रेंज नाही आहे रिव्ह्यू गूगल AI
how many have received this particular link almost all have you can I start this particular link
AI assistant from Google opening
link भेटली का तुम्हाला भेटली का
how many have been received the link can I start this particular link please
after this
मोबाईल आहे ना तुमचा
हां?
मोबाईल आहे ना
मोबाईल हो
त्याला लिंक शेअर केलेली
so participants still
अच्छा गूगल
one more thing just a minute okay
व्हॉट्सअप आहे ना व्हॉट्सअप केली
व्हॉट्सॲप
just a minute तेच आहे ना नाही मी ना एक सेकंड ना मी आता एक दुसरी लिंक मॅडमला शेअर केली
सर
मॅडम
ग्रुपला का
ती शेअर करा म्हणजे आता जे केले ना मी
हां पॅकेज गेलो ते बघा
एक मिनिट थांब.
ती नंतर दुसरी
एकच मिनिट थांब.
थांबा सर
मॅडम.
सर
ते शेअर करा
ग्रुपवर टाका
हाँ कविता मैम इधर ज्वाइन तेजस्वी मैम इधर आल्सो ज्वाइन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू ज्वाइन इट वेल
टाकली का माझ्या ग्रुपवर FDPच्या चढ
ते इथं फक्त दोघंच जण जॉइन झालेले दिसत नाही ना इथं बघा ना इथं इथं प्रोजेक्टर पण
फॅकल्टी ग्रुपमध्ये नाही आहे ना
अजून कोणाला राहिले
चिन्मय सर.
तुम्ही स्टार्ट केले का तुम्ही असं
स्टार्ट
झालं का क्वेश्चन आन्सर देतात म्हणजे
इथे वेटिंग फॉर पोस्ट टू स्टार्ट.
श्रद्धा पावसरे कविता अताल 5 जण जॉईन झाले.
पहिले ते लिंक वर जॉइन करा
नाही दुसरी आहे.
हां
इथं 5 दाखवले सर. लास्ट तुम्ही पाठवले
हां इथं आता चालू
253D
ओके सो कॅन आय स्टार्ट तुम्ही स्टार्ट करताय तुम्ही अटेम्प्ट करताय का
नाही
नाही
आले जशी असं आले.
ओके आता हे 5 लोक आहे ना ठीक आहे even though five are also
स्टार्ट करू ना.
okay
हाँ,
so from my side if I have started then and then only you can possible to start this one okay so can I start it one
Yes.
okay just I have started this particular quiz okay you can start now
Working for to start असं आले.
correct from my side I have started already okay Tejasri is an attempted that on the okay now the Kavita is on the top you can see her results so who is on top like again KBC is showing that one इकडे स्क्रीन वर बघा तुम्ही इकडल्या बघा जसं आता तुम्ही जसे म्हणजे करेक्ट आन्सर करशाल तसं तसं ते टॉपर बदलणार आहे बरोबर का now Shraddha is on the top Shraddha is also on the top okay you can see that one okay Shraddha is also on the top Kavita is on the second
नेक्स्ट
हां झालंच नाही. जातच नाही.
okay so the Shraddha has attempted that was the 8 questions correctly Kavita 5
जाओगे
कितने हुए
ओ मौसी लोग खाना खा लिए आइए एक मिनट में सेट हो जाते हैं 40 नहीं हुआ है